In this video, I will explain how you can search for and access literature. Being a part of WUR means that you have access to many subscription-based resources. First, make sure that you are registered as a member of the WUR network before trying to access resources online. Are you on campus? Then you are automatically connected to online resources. If you are not on campus, you should make sure that you can access the resources you need. Well, how do you do that? It's actually pretty simple. Using your WUR username and password, log in on the library website. Once you are logged in, you can conduct a search using WUR Library Search or select the database of your choice. You can also use the Library Access browser extension. You will find the download link for this on our website. A pop-up message will appear to give you access to subscription-based resources while you surf the web. Do you need more help with accessing subscription-based resources? Check our website or contact us directly. The library has plenty of tools you can use when searching for literature. Let's take a look together. If you know what item you are looking for, you can search in WUR Library Search. Maybe you need to look for something that your advisor or a colleague recommended to you. You can choose to filter your search. Maybe you just want to look for the ebook. Here it is. Click on the Get It button to access the publication. If WUR Library does not have the particular publication that you are looking for, you can request the item through interlibrary loans. If you want to systematically search for literature related to a particular subject, you will want to use a database. Through WUR Library, you can get access to almost 100 databases, such as Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, CAB Abstract, and the list goes on. Did you know that the library can help you to select the best database for your literature search? You can use the predefined filters to see which databases are the most suitable for your search. If you are having problems or realize that you need more help, you can also get in touch with one of our information specialists to discuss your search strategy, formulate your research question, or get help to improve your search results. Using Reference Manager software to organize your literature is really convenient. WUR Library supports EndNote and Mendeley. On our website, you can find more information on both EndNote and Mendeley, as well as download links, user manuals, and useful resources. If you need more help to get started, check our calendar to find out when our next EndNote demonstration will be held. Do you need more information? Visit our website or contact our information specialists. They will be more than happy to help you.